Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Cruze LT, stock number Z8346XX. Only 32,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black granite metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges, again only 32,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. This engine gives you the best of both worlds. Power when you need it with the turbo. Otherwise, excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon and the city average of 38 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.